Hello everyone, my name is MJ and welcome to my channel. Join me on my journey in discovering new experiences, fashion, travel, and food. If you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to subscribe. If you have any specific questions, please comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. In this video, I will be unboxing, revealing my dream bag. This bag was purchased first week of October from the Hermes boutique in Toronto. Enjoy the video. Here it is, my Birkin 25 in Togo leather in gold hardware. Definitely my dream bag. Here's the raincoat that's provided. As well as the Hermes leather book. Oh my God, I'm so lucky to have been offered her. Here's the lock and key and the clochette. Oh my God, what a beauty. Just to let you know, I've already put the twilly on prior to the unboxing or the reveal. Just gives it a little bit of punch of color aside from the noir color. You can see there is the veining on the leather, front and back. Here's a few photos taken inside the Hermes boutique in Toronto. Once again, join me on my journey in discovering new experiences, fashion, travel, and food. If you enjoy these types of videos, be sure to subscribe. If you have any comments or specific questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.